All right, so welcome back. We're going to look at the next Divemaster conducted program workshop, and this one is the Advanced Snorkeler, or as it used to be called, the Skin Diver course workshop, as well as the Snorkeling Supervision. So the goal behind this workshop is to let your Divemaster candidates get some experience in conducting the formal Advanced Snorkeler course, which could result in a certification for the participants, or conduct a regular snorkeling tour, whether that's Discover Snorkeling or just a informal tour. So in the workshop guidance that you have in the instructor manual, again, it's really easy for you if you trust the material and use the material to understand what you need to do. So basically, the Divemaster candidates are going to get an overview of the Advanced Snorkeler course, which you find in the instructor manual. So you're going to guide them through that so that they can then give an Advanced Snorkeler course briefing or a snorkeler tour briefing. The Divemaster candidate will also conduct an Advanced Snorkeler confined water dive or open water dive, or lead a snorkel tour demonstrating control and supervision. And this is best to do really as a role-playing version so that you can manage the assignment of problems for your Divemaster candidates to then address and take care of, as that's another performance requirement. So as you work with your Divemaster candidates, you want to make sure they have their instructor manual. You take them to the Advanced Snorkeler course guide. You'll review the standards with them. You'll review what should be contained in a briefing, and then have them give an example briefing. And you want to really spend some time explaining the difference between the Advanced Snorkeler or a snorkel tour briefing versus a scuba dive briefing that they've also practiced earlier on. And then to help them with that briefing, what you do is you create a scenario for them. And in the instructor guide, you have a couple of suggestions to get you started. So again, it makes it really easy for you to teach this workshop because you've got some good suggestions on how to conduct it. And then as you get more experience and more confidence, you can vary that scenario with your Divemaster candidates based on local environment or different scenarios that you think of. And then you're going to actually be in the water and let them conduct a short tour or practice those skills while the other candidates and your staff act as participants. So this is your chance now to assign some problems that can be snorkelers that aren't following the leader, they're going off on their own, or if you're doing an Advanced Snorkeler class scenario, you have one student that dives down and the buddy doesn't wait, they go down and join them, or the person surfaces and the other one immediately goes away, or they do the dives with a snorkel in their mouth. So you can pick some problems in there. You will be incorporating some of the skills here also in the skills circuit that we talked about earlier, but you really want to maximize your Divemaster candidate's experience by running through the skills from the Advanced Snorkeler course. So as you go into the instructor guide and you look at that Advanced Snorkeler Skin Diver course, you review the standards and then run a confined water session where you give your Divemaster candidates a chance to practice those skills or to pretend to teach them to someone. And then there's an optional open water session as well. So certainly anything that's optional like this open water dive, I would encourage you to do that because you're trying to create the best Divemaster possible. So add that value to your course. And then after you reviewed the Advanced Snorkeler course requirements and done the workshops, at some point you also want to spend some time in the shopping cart or the OLPC to show the Divemasters where they would buy a pick from to process an Advanced Snorkeler or an Advanced Snorkeler student so they can get their recognition card. Again, if something's not clear or if you're a bit concerned about running your first Advanced Snorkeler workshop, then give your regional training consultant a call.